I will highly recommend to read this book, Creative Visualization by Shakti Gawan. I will uh, read some of the good points which I marked in this book. So, what is imagination? Imagination is the ability to create an idea or mental picture in your mind. In creative visualization, you use your imagination to create a clear image of something you wish to manifest. That is the ultimate point of creative visualization, to make every moment of our life a moment of wonderful creation in which we are just naturally choosing the best, the most beautiful, the most fulfilling lives we can imagine. A short period of meditation and creative visualization done at midday will relax and renew you and cause your day to flow more smoothly. The practice of doing affirmation allows us to begin replacing some of our stale, worn out, or negative mind chatter with most positive ideas and concepts. It is a powerful technique, one which can, in a short time, completely transform our attitude and expectations about life. Affirmations can be done silently, spoken aloud, written down, or even sung or chanted. Even 10 minutes a day of doing effective affirmations can counterbalance years of old mental habits. There are infinite number of possible affirmations. Here are few just to give you some idea. So you can say to yourself again and again, I am the master of my life. I am whole and complete in myself. Regular reading of inspiring and uplifting books that helps to keep me in touch with my highest ideals and aspirations. Many people find that this process of forgiveness and release is miraculous in relieving them immediately of their long standing burden of accumulated resentment and hostility. So, I release my past, I forgive people. These are good affirmations. Keep working with writing the affirmations once or twice a day for a few days. Once you feel that you are really looked at your negative programming, discontinue writing it out and just keep writing the positive affirmations. Possibly the trickiest part of getting what you want in life is just figuring out what you really want, and yet it is certainly the most important part of all.